let's talk about tuna. We have a longer saku, and also we have it a little longer block, but we can actually cut this one for it. It's called tezaku, okay, with the hand size, which is actually, okay, this kind of the irregular shape. And this meat was on top part of those block, last piece. All right, so these, you can go ahead cut these in 8 centimeter width. So this block itself, 8 is already defined. So now you're going to look for like a 3 centimeter width all the way in. That means so we can actually make the sushi off from here. If this meat is kind of too tall, you can also take another piece off from here too. So you have a little more flatter block, and the 8 centimeter is right there. All right, we can actually use these for the sushi. Just keep cutting just towards the sideway, and we're going to look for the perfect rectangular sushi. 8 centimeter times 3.5. All right, then you're just going to use your knife, slide it in, okay, then upright your knife, and to make a koba, we can make tuna sushi from right there. All right, let's keep cutting a little more. That's how you can take pieces off from tezaku. Alright, let's talk about the tuna longer saku. First thing, what you're going to look for is which side was the skin. Okay, because this is a block was actually sitting like this, and the big mounds was like this. And this was the fin side. Okay, so you always look for which side was the skin. Always close to the skin side is a little more fattier. So that side of the skin. So leave the fatty side away. All right, then fatty side away, but which side is like how you're gonna cut. You're going to look for the side view. If you leave the skin side away, fatty side away, then okay, you're going to look for side grains. If your grain is running up and towards you, you let it face towards you, not opposite. If you leave it opposite, grain is running away. All right, then after what you're going to find out, if this is a perfect 8 centimeter block, you can cut just perfectly, keep cutting 8 by 3, and everything's going to be turning rectangular. But if your piece is a little bit shorter than that, if your width is about a 5 centimeter, what you're going to do is you're going to look for how the grain is run. This piece's grain is run from right back towards my left front. So in that case, we are going to cut this tuna piece against the grain. So one more time, you leave skin side away, fatty side away, and you look at the grain is running towards you, and then the last thing you're going to look at how's the grain is run. Then you're going to decide you're going to cut this way or that way. Let's try to cut this little piece. So first piece, let's try to get rid of first over here today. Now we're going to look for 3 width, 8 length. Then we're going to cut against the grain and koba.